Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1995 Subaru Legacy Touring Wagon 250T. It is 4x4. It has the EJ25D 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Legacy comes with 61,089 original miles. It does come with 4 doors and 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on. We have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers. It is 98,314. The miles on this vehicle, again, is 61,089. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support that y'all pour in. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It really does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.